Relocating can be overwhelming, but hiring the right packers and movers can transform this stressful process into a smooth journey. Today, we are diving into how to confirm the authenticity of your movers and the things you should avoid putting on the truck. Stay tuned for essential tips that ensure a safe and efficient move. First, always compare quotes. Authentic movers provide detailed written estimates. Beware of those offering suspiciously low prices up front. Verify their physical address and landline number, ensuring they are accessible and credible. Reviews and ratings from previous customers offer invaluable insights. Look for companies with consistently positive feedback and minimal complaints. Check their credentials. A legitimate moving company will gladly present their license and documents. Skip those who ask for hefty advance payments, a major red flag. Trusted brands often deliver better experiences, so consider established names in the industry. Insurance is non-negotiable. Genuine movers protect your goods against unforeseen damages or losses. Be aware of common scams like overbilling, delayed deliveries, or low-quality packing materials. Avoid these pitfalls by clarifying charges up front and assessing their packaging standards. And here's a pro tip: never load valuables, legal documents, or irreplaceable items on the moving truck. With the right movers and smart precautions, your relocation can be seamless and worry-free. If you're in Melbourne, contact trusted removalists today for a hassle-free experience. Subscribe for more moving tips and share this video with someone planning a move.